Welcome back to the cafeteria. Today I am making a stuffed shells pasta dinner. So let me break down my ingredients. Make sure you check the description box for the prices and how much everything costs down below. So I got some Johnsonville hot Italian sausage. I just took the links out of the casing so I can mash it up and put it into my shells. I got 2 packages of Monterey Cheddar cheese. I got some pepper jack cheese, some ricotta cheese, 2 packages of frozen spinach, 2 boxes of jumbo shells, and 3 cans of tomato sauce because we needed some sauce. I also cut up 1 medium onion, half a bell pepper, and 3 cloves of fresh garlic. And while everything is cooking, I'm also boiling my noodles, and I'm not going to let them get completely soft because that's going to be too soft, so I'm just going to let them be al dente, so still a little crunchy in the middle but soft enough for me to handle. So the first thing I'm going to do is start to cook my sausage. I'm going to mash it up in the skillet. I added just a tablespoon of olive oil just so it doesn't stick and burn. And to this I'm going to add my onions, my bell peppers, and I'm going to season it. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, my minced garlic, and I used half of my onion and bell pepper in my sausage. I'm gonna use the rest of that into this sauce. Once the onions and bell peppers have cooked down, I'm just gonna add my 3 cans of sauce to the pot. While the sauce is cooking, I'm gonna season it. Make sure you check the description box down below for all the seasonings that I use. Now, to my ricotta cheese, I've added 2 eggs just to make it a little more looser, make it a little more creamier, because I'm gonna add my 2 bags of frozen spinach, which I cooked in the microwave, and just make sure I squeeze all the water out. And I'm gonna add some cheese, and then I'm gonna add my Italian sausage, cooked Italian sausage, all to this ricotta cheese. Now I'm gonna add my Italian sausage, and with this, as it's cooking, it's gonna release a lot of oil. Once your meat is done cooking, you want to drain majority, close to almost all of that oil out before you add it to the ricotta cheese. Now I'm gonna fold in some of this pepper jack cheese and some of this Monterey cheddar cheese. This is what the shells look like once they've cooked, but not completely. See, I can handle them. They cooled off. They're soft enough for me to open them and fill them up. So I'm gonna take a shell, open it up, use my spoon, or you can use your hand, and stuff the shell just like that. Then I'm gonna add a little of my sauce to the bottom of this baking dish. Spread it around. and add my shell. And I'm going to keep doing this until I fill the whole baking dish up or until all my shells are gone. Now, this is what all the shells look like. I didn't use all of them because this is as many as I could fit in here, but I can make more if I want to. So this is what they look like all stuffed. I'm going to cover this with a little cheese, the rest of my sauce, and then cover it with more cheese and bake it in the oven on 400 degrees until the cheese is nice and melted, so probably about 10 minutes. And this is what it looks like straight out of the oven. I'm just gonna garnish it with some parsley, make it look a little pretty so it's not so yellow and white. And there you go. Let's plate it up. And that is it. These shells look so good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.